Hey budget besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is CS Budgets. My name is Candace. We do all things low income budgeting, cash stuffing, and savings challenges. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification to receive notifications each time I post a new video. Okay, so today we are going to be stuffing our travel binder. So we're going to be stuffing $50 today. We're going to be wrapping up this binder pretty soon, simply because our trip is coming really soon, and I've already pretty much saved the amount that we needed to save previously. I just transferred all the money over into this binder, so I'm going to be slowly adding more, and then when we get close to the trip, we're going to go ahead and unstuff this and put it into the bank. Okay. All right, so let's get into it. I'm gonna put this here. I really hope you can see this tray here. Bring it over a little bit more. There we go. So let's see how much we have here. Okay, we have a 20, 35, 45, 50. So we're gonna be stuffing $50 today. And I'll put that there. This is gonna be a short video, you guys. Okay, so how's everyone's day going? I want to know what's going on. Are you saving now? I know it's almost the end of the year, and yeah, it's almost the end of the year. We know what happens at the end of the year. It is spending season. So I can't wait to actually start a new year off with you guys, so we can start saving, really organizing our savings and getting prepped and ready for the following year. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so I'm not going to ramble on. I'm going to go ahead and get to the cash stuffing. So let's see. Remember when I stated this is for our park and fly at the airport? Let's see, I'm going to put $5 in here, but really I think this might be good enough, but I don't know. The last time we flew somewhere was last year in October at Disneyland, and I think we spent about $80 for the park and fly, so things might have went up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add an extra $5 just in case, taxes or any additional type of fees or anything. So parking now has 20, 40, 60, 85 there, and I don't think we're gonna stuff that anymore. Okay. Souvenirs. Souvenirs is the fun stuff that I renamed. So in souvenirs, we're actually going to add 15. And like I said, if I don't need this, then we're just going to roll the money over to the next trip. And that's generally what we do. If we don't spend all of our money, just roll over to the next trip. That's it. You don't have to transfer out these fives here eventually. Sorry, it's not organized. Okay, there we go. All right, so souvenirs has 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 125. Let me write that down. I think that's enough. I think we're going to be buying up a whole bunch of things in Vegas. Who does that? Probably a cup or two. Maybe a bag. That's it. Transportation is going to get $5. Okay. So we have 20, 40, 55. This is, we have to take a shuttle. So Lyft, Uber, and what have you. We're going to be staying about 10 minutes away from the airport where we're going to be staying in Vegas, so we won't need this much, but just in case, you know, they want to raise up, you know, funds on us. Things change every day, like fees, everything, so want to be extra prepared. Okay, so this is dining. Dining is going to get the 25 that's left. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have 125. there for dining. Okay, and emissions is nothing, that's for another trip. So I'll leave everything as is. That's it. That's it for the travel binder. So again, always thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely click the like button and comment below. Give me a, should we do like a plain emoji? Yes, give me a plain emoji, and if you watched this video all the way through, and comment and let me know what's your favorite destination place. What's your favorite place to go and travel? I am so interested in finding out and learning more. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. You have a wonderful day. Bye.